One of the biggest difficulties for students during exams, especially in competitive exams, is interpreting the problem because in the test, the question doesn't come with the equation already set up. It's going to come like this. I wanted to see how you are handling this kind of problem. So, pause the video and try to solve it on your own, then I'll show you the step-by-step solution. Come with me. So, were you able to solve it on your own? Let's go through the step-by-step solution. Look, 10 years ago, Heitor was 3 times Anna's age. 10 years from now, Heitor will be twice Anna's age. How old was Heitor when Anna was born? Here are the options. Look. First, let's organize the problem. With practice, you can solve it quickly, but let's go step by step here so you can understand. Take a look. We have 3 verb tenses. Today, which is the present. We have here, look, 10 years ago, which is back in the past. And 10 years from now, we have 3 verb tenses, present, past, and future. Well, since we don't know Anna's age today, let's represent her age today as A. And we don't know Heitor's age either. Let's represent Heitor's age today as H. Well, in the past, 10 years ago, that is 10 years back, since Anna's age today is A. 10 years ago, she was 10 years younger, so it would be A minus 10. In the same way, since Heitor's age today is H, 10 years ago, he was 10 years younger. So he was H minus 10 in the same way, 10 years from now in the future. And today, Anna's age is A. 10 years from now, she will be A plus 10. She will be 10 years older. In the same way, Heitor will be H plus 10. Well, going back to the statement of the question says 10 years ago. That is, at this age here, look, back in the past, Heitor was 3 times Anna's age. So, Heitor's age 10 years ago, which is H minus 10, was equal to 3 times Anna's age. So, it's equal to 3 times her age. Solving this equation, I'll repeat it here. Look, H minus 10. The 3 is multiplying everything inside the parentheses. So, 3 times A is equal to 3A. 3 times minus 10 minus 30. Now, I'm going to leave H alone on the left side of the equation. So, I'll leave it here, H. H, 3 minus 30, I'll repeat. Minus 10, I'm going to move to the other side, plus 10 minus 30. Plus 10, we can solve that, right? Minus 30 plus 10 is minus 20. So it will be H equals 3A minus 20. I'll keep this equation here. H equals 3A minus 20. Going back to the problem statement, let me erase this here. Look at this. In 10 years in the future, 10 years from now, Heitor will be twice Anna's age. So, this age here, Heitor's age in 10 years, which is H plus 10, will be equal to twice Anna's age. So, twice the quantity A plus 10. Solving this equation the same way we did with the first equation, H plus 10, I'll repeat. The 2 is multiplying everything inside the parentheses. So, 2 times A, 2A. So, 2 times 10 plus 20, I'll leave H alone on the left side of the equation. So look, H will be equal to 2A plus 20. Now, I'll take this plus 10 here and move it to the other side, subtracting, minus 10. 20 minus 10 is equal to 10, so H will be equal to 2A plus 10. I'll keep this other equation here. See that now we have 2 equations in terms of HH is equal to 3A minus 20 and H is equal to 2A plus 10. That means these 2 equations are equal. If the equations are equal, set them equal to each other. 3A minus 20 is equal to 2A plus 10. I'll put all terms with letters on the left side of the equation. Everything with a number, I'll move to the right side. So 3A will stay on the left side. 2A is positive, it's being added. So when it goes to the other side, it becomes subtraction, right? Negative. So it will be minus 2A. Plus 10 is on the left, move it to the other side. Minus 20 moves to the other side as plus 20. 3A minus 2A equals A. So A will be equal to 10 plus 20, which is 30. We found the value of A. That is, we found Anna's age. Now, since we found Anna's age and we know that H equals 3A minus 20 and H equals 2A plus 10, we can substitute the value of A into either of these 2 equations. I'll choose this equation. Here, H equals 2A plus 10. I'll substitute A with 30, which is its value. So, it will be H equals 2A, that is 2 times 30 plus 10. 2 times 30 is 60, 60 plus 10 is 70. That is H equals 70. That means Anna is 30 years old and Heitor is 70 years old. The question is, when Anna was born, how old was Heitor? Well, if Anna is 30 years old and Heitor is 70 years old, we just need to find that difference. Calculating here, look, 70 minus 30 equals 40. So when Anna was born, Heitor was 40 years old. Whoever chose option E celebrated and got the question completely right. So how did you guys solve it? Did you solve it differently? Share in the comments. We've reached the end of the explanation. If you enjoyed the explanation, please like the video to support Professor Robson Lyer's Mathematicamente's channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I want to invite you to subscribe. There are many lessons here that will help you when it's time for the test. Don't forget to share this lesson with your friends who are studying for the competitive exam, all right? Warm regards from Professor Robson Lyer's Mathematicamente. See you in the next lesson.